everyone saw like my hair's been straight. The whole December, like, been like straight. So I don't know, curls will come out like how it normally comes out. When did I do my curly? Anyways, I don't use a lot of stuff on my hair, and it's like basic products. Also, even the this conditioner always use this for my hair. This year I figured out like to do my curly hair. Never had a routine, but now I do. Basically, just conditioner, brush it out, just like scrunch it. People's like, yeah, straight hair is difficult to maintain. Girls are therapies bigger than my freaking face. I don't know why I'm not taking small pieces, but I'm just a girl. And I dyed my hair. She really shocked. Just like how healthy my hair is. I was scared to dry straighten my hair. Like, it's the first time I took this risk with my hair. And I'm gonna probably like leave it curly now. Till Feb, I have a wedding. It's my cousin's. Oh my word, I can't believe it. Everyone's getting married. Probably gonna do a middle pause. Every day, I'm learning how to do something new. I've never been girly girl. Don't do makeup. People always think, you're such a beautiful natural queen, and I'm just like, no. I don't want to be. I do want to be, but I don't want to be. Like, I want to know how to do makeup. This year, challenge myself on how to do makeup. I need to elevate. I always just lash extension, lip gloss. I really want to learn how to do makeup. To look like a baddie sometimes, but I will always be like a natural girly.